Want to post daily on social media without staring at a blank screen? Let's create the content using Simplified AI social post generator in seconds. First, open Simplified AI app on your device and make sure you are logged in. From the dashboard, go to AI tools, then choose social media post generator. You will see a simple form. Enter your topic like launching a new product or Monday motivation. Choose the tone you want: professional, funny, casual, and hit generate. In just a few seconds, Simplified will create multiple social post options tailored to your request. You can copy the one you like, tweak the wording, or regenerate more if you want alternatives. You can even pair with generated text with ready-made visuals or use the design editor to create a full post with graphics. If you are not getting the tone you want, try switching the style or making your topic more specific, like Instagram caption for tech product launch. How often do you post on social media? Daily, weekly, or whenever you get time? Drop your routine in the comments below. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.